Stop paying for overpriced streaming subscriptions that keep hiking their rates every single month. You already own the hardware, so it is time to make it work for you. Welcome back to TechVibes. Usually, FireStick owners are stuck with just a few basic apps because the Amazon App Store hides the most powerful, free legal streaming services and community-vetted tools. Let's unlock your device right now with these 10 essential steps to get unlimited movies and TV shows for free. Step 1. Install the official downloader app from the Amazon store. This is the most important tool you will ever own for your FireStick. It allows you to access websites and files that the standard browser simply cannot handle. Step 2. Unlock your hidden developer options. Since we are avoiding the standard update path, simply go to your device info and click the name of your FireStick 7 times. This reveals the secret menu you need to allow third-party applications. Step 3. Enable Install Unknown Apps for Downloader. This is a crucial security step that allows your device to accept software from outside the official Amazon ecosystem. Step 4. Use downloader code 250931. This connects you to the TroyPoint toolbox. It is a massive library of the best free legal streaming apps, speed tests, and system cleaners to keep your device running like new. Step 5. Install Freevee and Pluto TV. These are official, 100% legal apps that offer thousands of live channels and on-demand movies. They are ad-supported, which is why they don't cost you a single penny. Step 6. Enter code 71893 to get Stremio. This is the gold standard for 2026. It organizes all your available content into a clean interface. That looks just like Netflix, but without the monthly bill. Step 7. Input code 814529 for on-stream. This app is incredibly fast and perfect for 4K Max sticks. It is designed to pull the highest quality links, so you don't have to deal with grainy footage or constant buffering. Step 8. Manually set your DNS to 8.8.8.8. In your network settings, switching to Google DNS can bypass provider-level throttling. This ensures your free streams load instantly without your internet company slowing you down. Step 9. Connect to your 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. If you are still using the 2.4 GHz frequency, your 4K movies will constantly buffer. The 5 GHz band provides the high bandwidth needed for a smooth cinematic experience. Step 10. Clean your system cache every week. Use a background process manager from the toolbox to wipe out temporary files. This prevents your FireStick from slowing down when you are trying to watch high-definition content. For a quick bonus tip, look into the Live tab on your FireStick home screen. Most people ignore it, but Amazon has recently integrated hundreds of free live channels directly into the dashboard that you can watch right now without installing anything extra. If you face any difficulty getting these codes to work, or if an app won't install, please leave a comment below. I am staying active on this video and I will reply to you within 1 hour to help you fix it. If this guide saved you some money today, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. You are officially ready to enjoy your free content, so go grab the popcorn and start watching.